Welcome back. You're still watching Friday Night Lights. Now, I've spent my whole life wanting curves in the right places, but like most women, have always been embarrassed to do anything about it. But no longer. I found an all-women's sisterhood which helps me make peace at last with my lumps and bumps. Without men, without makeup and without mirrors generally sounds like a nightmarish sort of place for me. But ironically, this kind of situation is actually going to help me to get my dream body. Isn't that right, Vibha?
Yes, true, yes.
And that's not the only dreamlike thing about the whole thing. Apparently, at Curves, you can burn 500 calories in 30 minutes.
Yeah, one session. Yeah.
Wow, that is like really a dream sequence. You've always been conscious of your lumps and bumps, and let's face it, who hasn't? Curves, a chain of gyms purely for women without a single mirror in sight, can probably do wonders for your flagging and in some cases sagging self-confidence. The fact that normally in most gyms there are mirrors surrounding you.
Oh, that's fabulous, because we will come to know only when after certain time, we will come to know that how much we have lost. Yeah. It's amazing to see after some months when people do compliment you that how you looking.
And that's not the only draw for several housewives who are looking to get back into shape. Considering you can burn over 500 calories at Curves with a simple 30-minute workout, the combination of a complete lack of self-consciousness and a speedy workout is getting women to get their curves back in the right places.
We have 5 components. First is warm-up. 2 or 3 machines you need to go on a lower intensity. Slowly you need to increase your intensity. Then cardio and strength training. Then it's a cool down.
Okay.
So when the second circle is going to come, last 3 machines you need to go really very slow.
Okay.
So your body needs to get cool.
Okay.
And then 6 minutes stretching.
Okay.
These are the 5 major components your exercise workout.
Okay. So the next time you want to feel fabulous and not flabulous, just head to Curves, which at least will help you see yourself with kinder eyes. And let's face it, that's an exercise worth cultivating. Okay, change stations now.